The first legit app that pay you real money is this one, where you can get paid to take online surveys and perform usability testing for different products and software apps. You can see here the work from home jobs opportunities that you can do online as a remote jobs or remote work. This website app and the other 5 apps that we will be discussing today are available in most of the countries around the world. Plus, they pay you through different payment methods. And from one of the apps, I withdraw over $500 in a month in pure passive income as free PayPal money. So you don't want to miss this one. I will be showing my income proofs as well, so stay tuned until the end. Now the name of this website is userinterviews.com. User Interviews have over 4.5 rating on Trustpilot, so you can trust this one. Here you can get paid anywhere from $10 up to $100 or even $200 for just 30 to 60 minutes of using a product or service and sharing your experience about that product or service. That might be installing and playing a game or using a physical or online software product or service. So here you will get paid for sharing your experience on product ideas or simply for talking about your life experiences about the specific product or service. User Interviews will pay you in many different methods, like virtual Visa cards, gift cards like Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks, and much more, or directly into your PayPal account. The only drawback of this website is that it is available only in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, France, Germany, South Africa, and India. But don't worry if you are not from these countries, because you can use their competitor website, respondent.io, which is available in almost all the countries around the world, and they also pay you in real cash and PayPal money. Now, moving on to our second app that pays you real money is the Cashkick app. This is a new earning app today that has one of the highest paying PayPal cash offers. On Cashkick, you can get paid for both installing apps and playing games, and for completing different surveys. For the Cashkick surveys, you will get paid anywhere from a few cents to $1, depending on the complexity of it. Whereas for installing apps and playing games, you can get paid from $3 up to $300 per app you install or the game you play. You can sign up directly using your PayPal, Facebook, or Google account on Cashkick, and you will get $1 as a sign-up bonus for completely free. And you just need to earn $9 more to take your first withdrawal of $10 from Cashkick into your PayPal account. The only downside on Cashkick is that they are only available in the US right now. But don't worry if you are from other countries than the US, because you can use their competitor app called Freecash, which is available in almost all the countries around the world. As you can see, I still have over $62 in my account on Freecash. So if you want me to show my withdrawal proof again, then comment down below. Freecash withdrawal proof 2. Now the third legit app that pay you real PayPal money is the Surview.com. Surview is available in over 158 countries around the world, so you can use it from almost any parts of the world and earn money online with it. Surview is the website app where you can earn money by completing different but interesting surveys and can earn up to $9 per survey. And the good thing is that they pay you in PayPal, different gift cards like Amazon and Etsy depending on your country, and directly into your bank account, which is the most demanded method of payment on CashPro. But for our future videos on CashPro, comment down below your country name and the different payment methods available in your country so that I can create more relevant videos for you guys. Now the fourth app on our list is the Prizes by Gamey. This is a play-to-earn games app where you can find different interesting games to play and earn money online. As you can see on your screen, in March 2024, I withdrew over $500 in total from Gamey app in passive income. And that is because first I earned over $10 from Gamey by playing games, and after that I used their referral program where they pay 10 cents for every referral, and I earned over $500 by referring different users to Gamey. As you can see, I still have over $15 in my account, and if you want the withdrawal proof of these earnings, then comment down below Gamey withdrawal proof 2. Now the fifth dollar earning app on our list is the Honeygain app. Honeygain is the best and most legit passive income app if you are okay with earning a slow but legit passive income. Now Honeygain doesn't pay you a lot, but you can expect to cover your monthly subscription to Netflix, Spotify, YouTube Premium, and so on. You just need a minimum of $20 to take your withdrawal through the PayPal or in the Jump Task cryptocurrency. I have already shown you my withdrawal proof of $65 earnings from the Honeygain app. Now the sixth app that pays you real PayPal money is PayPal itself. Yes, you heard it right. In some countries, PayPal pays you to refer your friends to PayPal, and when your referral joins and links their bank account, credit card, or debit card to PayPal and send or spend $5 or more through PayPal within 30 days of joining, you both get $10 cashback in your PayPal account. You can earn a maximum of $100 using this PayPal referral program. And for checking your eligibility, you just need to enter PayPal Refer and earn in the Google search bar. Click the first link, and that's going to take you to this page, where on top of this page, you will see the notification to see the offers available in your location. Just click on that. And if you still see the page about Refer and earn up to $100, it is available in your country. Otherwise, it is not available. That's it for today. Like this video if you got some value value here. And as always, thanks for watching.